Why do you got a paint roller on the subway?
Because I want to paint the subway.
Oh. Well, no need to be upset, alright.
I've had enough of your advice. Who do you think you are? Dr. Phil? Go give your advice to someone who really needs it.
What's wrong, mister?
I couldn't find matching socks this morning and I'm afraid someone will notice my different color socks.
Well, you should always keep your socks organized in your drawer. Also, ironing them might help.
Yeah, you think so?
I know so.
Well, thanks for that swell advice.
You hear that, paint roller guy? Someone likes my advice.